Oh fuck, fuckity fuck fuck. So the text, the song YOLO, it is a the song is written by the Lonely Item feat Adam Levine and Kendrick Lamar. It's a satirical song about the viewer itself. Generally, the term is used as a reason to do crazy things. The point of the song is a direct aim at the young people who use the term to justify stupid stuff. The Lonely Island turns the term around and makes the "you only live once" to an anti-dangerous term. This supported by their general overprotection of themselves. This supported by the line, and I quote, "and don't travel by plane and don't travel at all." The different humor types throughout the video. The video is generally stacked with irony and is seen as a satirical way to stress that you have to protect yourself because anything can be dangerous. The lines "YOLO, say no" is a play on the stupid stuff that some young people do while screaming "you only live once." A lot of cannibalism is used throughout the video. Examples. At 022, in the song, they are dressed as a Zero's boy band. Also in 050, they are dressed up as general nerds who perceives the general picture of a bank account, as you can see here. At exactly 1 minute, they're dressed up as crazy construction workers that have secured themselves in a secret bunker to protect themselves, as we can see here. There. The song is also a topical song because they sing about the millennials being afraid of everything and saying that we as a millennials say YOLO too much and actually don't mean YOLO. That was me, Magnus Mortensen, together with Aske.